In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create in-cell bar chart in Microsoft Excel. These quick visual bars, often called data bars, are a great way to show progress, compare values at a glance, or make a status column instantly understandable without inserting a separate chart. Start by opening Excel and the worksheet you want to enhance. Make sure your data is ready. This approach works best when your cells contain values that represent progress, like 0.25, 0.7, or percentages such as 25% and 70%. If your values are stored as true percentages in Excel, remember that 100% is equivalent to 1 under the hood, which will matter in a moment. Next, highlight the cells you want to visualize. You can select a single column, multiple columns, or even a non-contiguous selection if needed. Keep the focus on the numeric cells you want to turn into mini bar charts. Labels and headers can stay out of the selection. With your cell selected, go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting. Hover over data bars and you'll see a gallery of styles. Choose the look you prefer. Solid fill gives a bold, uniform bar, while gradient fill tapers at the end and can be a bit softer. Any color is fine. Pick something that reads clearly against your theme and is accessible for your audience. Now let's fine-tune the behavior so the bars reflect progress correctly. Back in conditional formatting, choose Manage Rules to open the list of rules that apply to your selection. Select the data bar rule you just created, then click Edit Rule. This opens the detailed settings for the bar. Set the minimum type to number and the value to 0. This anchors all bars at 0 so nothing starts partway across the cell. Then set the maximum type to number and the value to 1. This tells Excel that a value of 1 equivalent to 100% should fill the bar completely. If your data is stored as percentages, this mapping is exact. 0% is 0 and 100% is 1. If you're using decimals between 0 and 1, it's also perfect. You'll see a preview that reflects these limits. Leave other options as they are unless you have a specific style preference. The defaults work well for most dashboards. When you return to your sheet, your selected cells will display clean, proportional bars right inside each cell, alongside the numbers if they're visible. That's it. You've created in-cell bar charts using conditional formatting, making your data easier to scan and your progress instantly clear.